Welcome to my art challenge. It's something that I'm hosting on Instagram and it changes each week. This week I'm painting a banana, so I'm just having a look at it to see where the light parts are, and I'm not going to just paint it yellow. I'm trying to see what's the other colours that have been added. So I've added a bit of green, a few different types of yellows, a little bit of orange, just to get the right colour. So the light bits are in the middle of the banana, so I'm trying to leave those bits because that's where the light's hitting the banana. I'm painting this in a realistic style, so I want it to look like the actual banana. I want it to look like something you can eat. So I'm building up the colour. Quite often when I paint watercolour, I get to about this stage and think, well, this isn't going to work. And so I stop and just go and have a break and then come back to it. So if you feel the same way, just keep going. Watercolour takes time. It takes so many layers to build it up and get it to look like what you're trying to paint. This is a quick challenge. It was less than an hour, so I hope that if you join the challenge, it's quick for you. I'm painting on an edge sketch book, and the paper is fabulous. So get the best paper that you can, grab some watercolour and have some fun. I'm hoping with this challenge we all learn new tips and we can learn off each other and improve our watercolour skills. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the challenge or the contest that I'm running, please go to my Instagram.